Hello YouTube, how's it hanging? Unfortunately this week I'm not able to ride because I don't know if you can see, I have a rather nasty bruise and it feels all shit. That was done during the last video over the salt box jump. So this video I decided to do a bike check. There's the bike in question, so let's get on with it. Right, so as I said, my bike check. Start first, starting at the top with the grips. We've got the Stranger Quan grips, I think they're called. I quite like these. They're alright. Moving on, we've got the Fiction Troop bars, 9-inch rise, 28 ride. Quite nice. Full chromo. Moving down, got the Stolen slab stem. It's pretty solid, had it for a while now, it's pretty good. Fiction Savage integrated headset. Now this frame is a blank Grizzly V2. I like it. It's a 2125 top tube. It's quite a long back end, 13.8 I think, 13.7 slammed. I like it, it's good, it's black, excellent. The forks are Radio Minotaur P2 heat treated. Front tyre is Atlas 2.4. Same on the rear. Front wheel, we got the Stranger Crux. And also I'm running the Stolen Sean Moore silencer peg with the Eclat. Don't know if you can see that. Chromoly guard. Same on the rear. Cranks, I'm running the Stranger Crux cranks, the Stolen Cartwheel sprocket, half link chain, I can't remember what that is. Pedals, I'm running the Colt DAC, they're excellent pedals, really look really good. And the Crux rear cassette. Seat post is a United Supreme pivotal, and then the Daily Grind Alley pivotal seat, and that's my bike. I like it, it's good. So there we have it. Bit shit, I know, but I can't ride. Take it easy YouTube.